So a lot of these topics we've been discussing have been built around, data and unfortunately how it may be misinterpreted or relayed incorrectly in translation. How should brokers think about data?
Data should be a feedback loop, not a filing cabinet. And most brokerages collect data. They have contacts, they have transaction records and marketing metrics somewhere, but it kind of just sits there and it doesn't talk back to them. So I'll use one for example. We've been looking at our analytics tool and trying to make sure that everything's right in it and doing back testing. And in doing back testing, we keep finding some anomalies between just separate MLS platforms. We're seeing 3,000 days difference in time on market between two of the exact same MLS platforms. And you're going, well, how is this data there? And unless it's actionable, unless you're able to dig into it and try and understand why it's happening, just by a simple click of a button, 3,000 days can really skew how you're presenting something. And if you're not able to look at that real estate data in the same way as your pipeline and saying, hey, 40% of my deals are stalling between contract and inspection, it's a process problem I can fix. If I see leads from one source convert at 8 and another at 1%, that's a budget decision. If I see my average response time is 4 hours, it's a training conversation. Data isn't about dashboards and charts. It's about your ability to make decisions and infer. And where you're getting that data from and how you understand it makes a huge difference. Making sure it's not scattered against 5 platforms where nobody's looking at it is essential. Your data should be working for you, not just sitting in a database.